In tonight's Health Watch, there are drive-in movies, drive-in concerts, and now drive-in health exams.
Local 5's Connie Fellman shows us how COVID-19 is changing the way that some people in rural areas get health care.
According to a recent Gallup poll, 4 in 5 Americans believe it's too risky to go to healthcare facilities right now. Telemedicine provides a safer alternative, but for some technology-challenged people, that might not be an option. Now, some doctors are bringing healthcare straight to the patients who need it most.
Did you turn your ankle in the yard?
COVID-19 has made telemedicine the norm for regular checkups, bringing doctors straight to patients' living rooms through screens. But not all patients are capable of doing this.
I'm 80 years old. I don't have a modern technology now, cell phones or computers or anything.
So Carolyn is one of many patients who are driving to their doctor's office for their appointments. But instead of going inside, she's getting a curbside health exam.
To bring tablets to patients who don't have them, to treat patients in parking lots, is going to be a game changer.
Simply all they have to do is roll down their window, hold the device, and we're there to talk to them, and we can have a telehealth visit right from the parking lot.
This method is being put into place especially in rural areas or where there's a large senior population. In a survey of about 1,000 seniors, just 24% said they conducted a telehealth visit during the COVID-19 crisis.
Unfortunately, a lot of these patients were the people we needed to see the most. They were the elderly patients, the sicker patients.
But by keeping these regular checkups, even in a virtual manner, patients can treat ongoing medical conditions.
Sure, we can't listen to their heart and listen to their lungs, but you can see how well they're breathing, and are they congested, are they in any kind of distress.
And avoid going to the emergency room.
Oh no, I stay away from the hospital at all costs.
Delivering health care to those who need it most. Although local healthcare facilities don't have drive-in healthcare to that extent right now, they do offer telehealth visits. Perhaps most importantly, local health providers emphasize the extensive safety precautions put in place so you can and should feel safe going to your doctor. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Fellman, Local 5 News.